Dindenmida.
Anyang, balabalamin naman.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. Anong long man?
It's been a while.
It's been a while. Sorry kayo kinangaungo me or something. And the past week, grabe na gano'n kong pagkaungo of Korean novela. So, and then Korean songs, diba?
Yes.
Blackpink. Blackpink in the area. So, muna to siya guys. This tutorial would be about how we will transform into Korean babes. So, nag-choose me og look. And then, isa yung mga look na i-kuan ati.
Kani siya nga look.
So, mula ka Bella and then maoni ako. So, anyang, dindenmida.
Anyang, balabalamin naman.
Alright. So, if you wanna know and learn how we do a Korean version of ourselves, then keep on watching. But before we start, we need to erase our faces.
Like erase.
Can you please erase your face? Alright, so we are starting with a bare face. Charot. So,
Bare minerals.
Bare na yung face mo. Yogi Bear. Okay, and usually, mga Koreans, they love to moisturize their face and prep their face. So we are moisturizing our face. I am moisturizing my face with Aqua Moisturizing Whitening Vita. I've been using this for like years. Almost a year. Ikaw?
Me too. 2 years na akong nag-use. Pero enough din ako sa mga man.
Sige. Ginahin ko niya kay Kwan siya. Water-based. So, dali na kayo siya mag-draw. Okay. So, our face is now prepped. Let's now start. Ito yung mga gamitin yung foundation.
So I'm going to use this Maybelline New York BB Cushion.
I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match. I'm using the shade, shade G4. Nani siya kuan? G4 Gold Beige, kana siya Gold Turvash. Okay, so we are done doing our foundation. Let's now proceed with the concealer.
So the concealer I'm going to use is this MAC. Ano siya?
Concealer.
MAC Studio Finish Concealer.
I'm gonna use Mary Kay. I'm in the shade light beige. Have you noticed na kanang mga Korean, they do very light? Okay, so basically our face is a blank canvas. And bisan dili kay sila tig-bake sa ilang face. They love to bake lang. Kinang full bake on face. Kinaras kay bake kaning dili lang apart. Okay, so we're done with this. Next would be kilay.
The kilay.
Ang ako nabantayan sa ilang kilay bells is
Straight to the point.
straight lang.
Yeah.
So medyo a-challenge pa ni because my kilay is so archy.
And mine is like
So
straight
easy.
na. Easy na para na. So I'm going to
Ito pa rin kamutan.
Ano siya? Eyebrow pencil from Naked.
Fake
na siya.
Fake
Fake
lang
na
po
siya.
ni. Tag-unod. Tag 150 sa ubos. Alright, we're done with our... We are back. We're done with our brows, so we're now doing our eyes. Done with the other eye. I'm just gonna do the other offline. Alright! So we're done with our eyes. We went ahead and did our lashes. Grabe. I thought this was easy, but it's not. So we're just gonna move forward with contouring our nose. They put so much emphasis on their nose contour. Make it slimmer. So we're putting the contour closer. So make sure when you do contour, wala po sa imuhang
Kalimutaw.
Kalimutawa! Ito dili. Imo siya i-connect sa imuhang eyebrows. And then you put some here sa ubos. Pero mura ko nung hay i-pout na niya siya nilapita. And then blend. Alright. So, di man jud kayo sila heavy contour jud sa ilang mga cheeks and everything. So, mapusid na ta sa brush. Now, since Koreans are very much into having such glowy look, my glow tarot for our blush. So, this is from American. What's in Shayot? Baked cheek powder. Kind heart.
And this is from
Cosmetics. Ay, ano ba itong tuyo? Si sorry good.
In Korea kaya. Ano?
Ay, hindi kang Cosmetics.
Ay, cosmetics.
So, ano lang. Ako na-notice nila, they love to do tint. So, mag-tint ka. Naka-tint yun? Where's your tint? Akong tint. Found tint. This is from Clay. From Mia. Ito kalulaghan pa kayo siya. And shade ani kay Honey. So, they apply the tint dire. Kasi Lord. We're getting a nude color lipstick. I got this from Pony. Yan technique. And then, yan ang apply sa outer. Oh, diba? Achieve!
Am I a Korean now?
Oh, we look so glowy ba yun? Diba? We will just do our final touch and then we'll be back for our final demo.
안녕. 안녕. 안녕하세요. 저는 댄입니다.
Oh, basta mali siya!
어떡해.
Ay, good! Ay,
Saba di ha.
Basta, mali siya! So, did we achieve it? Pinks, na-achieve na mo, Pinks?
Na-achieve na mo.
Guwapa na ni. Kaayo.
Pwede
Opa?
Lahi na gud sa, ma-amaze ko.
Na-amaze ko
Wala,
sa ilang.
ma-feel na gud ako nga mga Korean, kuan gud sila. Like, when it comes to beauty and everything, murag, sila gud, no? Sila gud, guys, no?
Maka-transform din sila o kaan.
Yeah, we are transformed.
Tapos malagod
And it's very amazing. Like, look at the... Hindi man siya big, heavy. When it comes to, like, compare ni mo American to Korean makeup, mas grabe kay Jud kay ang American kay kanang glam and siya, like, smoky and everything. So, like, it's more on shimmer, but look what it will do to your eyes. Charet! Diba? And it,
Sumunod sa
less
ilang
ra ang
kaan.
contour ba yun?
Yeah.
Pero gwapa kay
That's
ta.
the contour and kuan. Most of their products ay more on skincare.
Sama na
Yeah.
siya. Kailangan kay ko. We hope that you were able to learn the process. And then if you still want us to do other makeup tutorials, please comment down below. For now, I am enjoying the final look.
True.
Party kayo, Mi.
Party kami.
Cute kayo, bye! Amazing! Di ba? Balag tambok, wapa ba?
Annyeong.
So, muna siya, friends. Mga, ano pa kayo ka mga gang? O, sige, sa mag-pictorial sa may kadali. And then, thank you tayo mga gangs for staying and for watching up until this point. And we'll be posting more videos of beauty, skincare, life, everything. And reviews. So, many siya. This is our own version of the Korean look. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for new uploads. And see you guys on my next one. Bye!